God knows where that goes to, by the way. We're gonna see what's about. Whoa! What?
Yeah.
Your boy.
Yo, boy.
Hey, if you go down there, have a weapon, my friend. Have a weapon. Don't go in this luxurious room. Wave. Wave. Yes! Come on. G'day boys and girls, how's it going? We are in Hong Kong, baby. We're in the middle of this, I don't know, this is okay, he wasn't having me. By the way, I've noticed I've been in Hong Kong for about 10 minutes. I'm having troubles with my eSIM, trying to work that out so I can't walk too far. But there are a lot of Westerners here, bro. I didn't realize how many Westerners were in Hong Kong. Like 1 in every 10 people are Western. Thought it was gonna be a novelty here like in Taiwan, but that's not the case. Anyway, so this video we are going to a Coffin hotel room, apartment, that sort of thing. A lot of people here in Hong Kong, I believe like almost 200,000 people live in these little one-room houses, not even houses, apartments, where they're in terrible conditions. We're going to stay in one. That's what the allegation is. We have our own bathroom, so we're very lucky. But we're gonna check it out. Hey, excuse me, buddy. Central Station?
Central Station, you need to go it down.
Down?
And then follow the instruction and then...
Perfect, thank you so much.
Then you go down one level.
Okay.
And then turn to the station with you.
So over there where the red signs are? Perfect.
See that one? Yeah.
What's your name?
Chen.
Lovely to meet you. Thank you, Chen.
Right.
Have a good one. My man Chen helping us out. Coming in clutch. Go to Sim Shua Sui. Sim Cha Sui. That's where we're going. Let's go. I'm trying to go to Sim Cha.
Okay, you can enter
Here?
Yeah.
Perfect. Which
red line.
Red line?
Yeah.
Thank you. That's one thing I want to see about Hong Kong as well. Will people be okay with the camera? Will they act weirdly? Will they act okay? Jesus. Oh, sorry. Watch where you're going. Yeah, we've got it. We're on. Sim Cha Sui, here we come. Okay. We will sit down between my two new friends. Oh. Excuse me, sir. Sim Cha Sui? Where? Sim Cha Sui? Sim Cha Sui? Shopping district. Okay. That's not a... 2 stops? Thank you, my friend. My friend's gotten up to leave. I didn't even say anything else to him and he's had enough of me. But buddy's like, I don't speak English. Brother, I wasn't speaking English. God. Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Where
from?
I'm trying to find Nathan Road.
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
What is your name?
My name is Liu Huazhen.
Lena?
And boy.
Boy.
Yeah.
You're a boy.
Yo, boy.
Lovely to meet you, man. Have a good one. Take care.
Bye.
Nathan Road, here we go. I found it, boy, I found it.
Boy. Yeah.
Boy, I found it.
Boy.
Boy and friends. My goodness. Nathan Road, let's go. Hopefully everyone here is as lovely as boy. We are making progress. Nathan Road. There is no Nathan Road. I want to see just how small or big the room is. Traffic here is not as crazy as every other country I've been to on this trip. I mean, Taiwan wasn't that bad. A lot of Westerners here, by the way. Like a suspicious amount of Westerners. I need some water as well. I have not any water for like 8 hours. God, hopefully that's not my building. I hope that's not it. Surely not. I mean, it doesn't look great. Wait, I think that might be it. Which, it doesn't look any better. The 2 worst buildings, I think I've... Oh no. This is the one that Spanian stayed in. You've seen the content creator Spanian? He must have stayed in this one, I think. Because that was terrible in his video. Onward, boys and girls. What a currency exchange places. Oh my god, there's so many places. Canada Hotel. Oh, that's block A. I need block E. So we're going more and more into the depths of this. Brother, block E?
Block A first one, bro. These are block B.
E? Like, oh, over there.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, my guy. He saved me. People are lovely in here so far. We've only spoken to one person, granted, but it was a lovely person. At least we got some fresh fruit and vegetables and electronics. If we need, hello brother, how are you? It's not, oh, sorry, I just skipped between yous. It's not the most luxurious place so far, but it's fine, I hope. Surely this is not Block E. It is Block E. It's just Block E. Wait, a maple leaf. 12th floor. We're going on the 12th floor. Zodiac Lodge. E6. E1? Are we E1? Maple Leaf Guest House. Come on. Alright, let's go. What are we calling?
Hello, sir.
Hello, are you staff?
Yeah, sir.
Oh, thank you. You saved
Do
me.
you have a booking?
I do have a booking. I'll let you go through.
2 nights.
2 nights. Long stay.
It's 2 nights, it's not long, sir.
It's not long. Super long. Hopefully it's not long. How long do most people stay?
That's this room around 1 week.
1 week?
The other room is sometimes 1 month, 2 months.
Wow, okay. People are living in here. Pretty much. Lovely staff so far. Very hot in here though. Boiling. I was supposed to have 2 beds, but we only have 1. I think I've been downgraded. Alright, room tour. Now be careful, there's a lot here. Make sure you get patient with me because there's a lot to show you. Bathroom. Shower over the toilet. Not a lot of room for a big lad like me. Front door. God knows where that goes to, by the way. I'm hoping that a rat doesn't crawl out of that. Smells a bit in here, not gonna lie. And then the bed. At least we have power sockets. Hopefully they work. That aircon doesn't smell that great. So the plan of attack, I don't know why I'm crouching now, but it just feels right. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna find some water and I'm gonna explore the city and take you with me. We're gonna see what we can see. We're gonna see what characters we meet. And then we're gonna come back here and spend the night in this luxurious room. I feel like that would go in with one swift kick. He is out of there. Oh my goodness me. Some fresh air is lovely. What a lovely little exit for us. Not as glamorous as the entrance. I do have to, oh, mystery liquid. We won't actually go down there. We're gonna find the main exit. My God, it is busier around here now. It is so much busier. I'm just dodging people left, right, and center. We're gonna see what's about. Whoa, buddy! And then we're gonna see where we end up. Hopefully we don't end up robbed, mugged, shanked. I'm gonna see if we can get him to wave to us. Wave, wave, yes, come on. Got away from the shy gentleman. He got a big old smile on his face. Look at the bamboo on that. I was about to say vehicle, building by the way. Why are they using bamboo?
I don't know, sorry.
You don't know? Me neither. I have no idea. What is your name? Lee.
Yeah.
Lee. Lynn. Oh, Lynn. Lovely to meet you, Lynn. My name's Connor. I might see you around somewhere. Have a good one. I'm not going to see Lynn around again. The way that these big cities work, millions of people and such. I'm in my element here in Asia, bro, especially here in Hong Kong. This is beautiful. This is exactly what I was expecting. A sick place, lovely people. I wonder what the rules are on just sinking absolute beers in the room, by the way. I don't think I'm gonna do that because I don't like to drink that much anymore. Hong Kong is reminding me a lot of my home city, Brisbane, but also like a London maybe, a little bit of Taiwan, a little bit of New York. Look at that! Jesus. I don't know if the camera's doing this justice, but this is the most amazing view I have ever seen. My goodness me. goodness, bro. God, that room is small. It's pretty small. Like, I'm gonna struggle to have a shower in there. But I also want to actually get some footage in the room to get the real experience of what people have to live through here in Hong Kong. Because as lovely and fun as this is, doing like a 2-night stint, filming some footage there, having this lovely experience in this lovely place, a lot of people actually have to live like that. Yeah. Shall we have a look what is down here? It's
I'm first.
You're first? I'm trying to find... Does this look like our apartment or?
I don't know.
Doesn't look like our apartment?
I found two.
What's your name?
Leo.
Leo. Connor, nice to meet you. Leo, good luck. Hey, if you go down there, have a weapon, my friend. Have a weapon. Don't go down there empty-handed. Jesus. I will not be going down there. Good luck, Leo, son. That looked like a sketchy alleyway. Poor Leo is a tourist as well, looking for his hotel. I don't think it's down there, Leo. It's actually the alleyway for where I'm staying, I've just realized. Yep. There's the entrance right there. So that actually is an exit. And that's the exit I was gonna come out of. I'm gonna keep trying to film out here as much as... What's that?
Something else?
Something else? What else?
What do you want?
What do I want? Oh man, honestly, I want about 60 chicken nuggets and about 6 gallons of water.
Okay.
What is your name?
Alam.
Alan.
Alam.
Alan.
Yeah.
Connor, nice to meet you.
Okay.
Have a good one, yeah? See you, mate. Have a good one. Have a good one, Alan. I don't know what he was offering me then, but who knows? He's like, do you want something else? And he wasn't too fond of the camera. I guess you can just jaywalk here as well. I don't know if it is jaywalking if everyone's doing it. It's like if everyone does something illegal, is it really illegal? That's what I love about filming. Just the roguest characters come up and just introduce themselves into your life. Okay, so the city's been very lovely. This is the first bit of like disgusting carnage that I've seen. I would say about 90% of the food stores here are westernized. Cheeky little McLaren going past, and then a lovely BMW, and then a lovely taxi. Yeah, man, some of the cars here. Oh my God. So many people, man. Alright, let's have a look. I mean, I'm too tall for it, to be honest. Like, my head's hitting the wall back here, and then my feet are touching, so I might need to sleep maybe on like a diagonal or something. Or with my legs bent a little bit, but could be worse, to be honest. I am going to edit this video. I'm also going to report back maybe during the night if I can't sleep. Toilet is blocked. Ah, lovely. If I've slept well, I'll see you tomorrow morning and I'll give you a verdict. Alright, I will see you either during the night or tomorrow morning. Boys and girls, it is morning. So, slept okay. It wasn't very solid. That aircon's, I can feel it like having an effect on my lungs, I guess. Smell in here just hasn't been great. Haven't gotten super used to it. Also, I had a shower last night, which was fine. But then I come outside and like I step on the bath mat's sticking to my feet. And then my feet are sticking to the floor and I'm just like, oh God. So I probably caught some sort of athlete's foot or something like that. That is me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next thing that I do. Peace.